Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are fixing another big confusion for you. The difference between 会, 能, 可以. The first word, 会, it has two core meanings. The first meaning, learned skills. Let's see in some examples. 我会弹吉他. I can play the guitar. Well, this sentence focuses on I know how to play guitar, because playing guitar is a learned skill. 她会说中文. She can speak Chinese. Again, we use 会 here because she learned this language. It's a learned skill. 我弟弟不会游泳. My little brother can't swim. We use 会 because swimming is also a skill which he hasn't learned yet. The second meaning for 会 is for future prediction, similar like will in English. 明天会下雨. It will rain tomorrow. It's a prediction for tomorrow's weather. 他会来吗? Will he come? It's a prediction to his action because we don't know if he will come or not. Repeat after me. 我会弹吉他. 他会说中文. 我弟弟不会游泳. 明天会下雨. 他会来吗? Second word, 能. It also has two core meanings. Meaning one, it's for physical or objective ability. 我今天能跑5公里. I can run 5 kilometers today. It's a physical ability that I'm able to do. 他受伤了，不能走路. He's injured. He can't walk. He has a physical limitation that lead to the result he can't walk. 这个杯子能装1升水. This cup can hold 1 liter of water. We are talking about the cup's capacity here, which is also the objective ability of this cup. The second meaning of 能, it's for possibility under conditions. 周末我们能一起去公园吗? Can we go to the park together this weekend? I ask because I want to know if it is possible. 你能开车送我回家吗? Can you drive me home? Again, I ask because I want to know if it is possible. Under this usage, 能 is quite similar to 可以. You can also use 可以 in these two sentences. I will explain to you later in the 可以 part. Repeat after me. 我今天能跑5公里. 他受伤了，不能走路. 这个杯子能装1升水. 周末我们能一起去公园吗? 你能开车送我回家吗? Okay, the third word, 可以. Again, it has two core meanings. The first meaning, permission. 老师，我可以去洗手间吗？ Teacher, may I go to the bathroom? What am I doing? I'm asking for permission. 这里不可以吸烟。Smoking is not allowed here. This is a rule. It is saying that you don't have the permission to smoke here. 你可以用我的手机。You may use my phone. I give you the permission to use my phone. Remember I said earlier, under the usage of possibility of 能 is quite similar to 可以. Because in sentence like that, you can also understand them as asking for permission. The two examples we had earlier. 周末我们能一起去公园吗? You can understand it as I'm asking if it's possible. You can also understand it as I'm asking for permission that we go to the park together. Same for 你能开车送我回家吗? You can also say 你可以开车送我回家吗? I'm asking if it's possible, or I'm asking for your permission. Okay, back to the third word, 可以. The second meaning of 可以 is for suggestions, or it can also mean it's okay to do something. 你可以试试这个方法. You can try this method. This is my suggestion. I suggest that you can try this method. 不想去就可以不去. You don't have to go if you don't want to. In another word, it's okay if you don't want to go. It's acceptable. Repeat after me. 老师，我可以去洗手间吗？这里不可以吸烟。你可以用我的手机。你可以试试这个方法。不想去就可以不去。I will give you a summary table here for the above points. Now let's check how much you learned today. Quiz time. Try to make sentences with the correct word. I know how to cook. 我做饭。我会做饭。Because this is a skill that I'm able to do. I can't eat spicy food. 我不吃辣的。我不能吃辣的。Because this is a physical limitation I have. I cannot handle spicy food. May I open the window? 我打开窗户吗？我可以打开窗户吗？ I'm asking for your permission to open the window. It will be cold tomorrow. 明天很冷。明天会很冷。It's a prediction for tomorrow's weather. You can sit here. 你坐在这里。你可以坐在这里。I give you this permission. He's an expert in this field. You can ask him. 他是这方面的专家。你问问他。 他是这方面的专家，你可以问问他。This is the suggestion I give you. No eating in the library. 图书馆里不吃东西。图书馆里不可以吃东西。Or 图书馆里不能吃东西。Because this is the rule. You don't have the permission to do it. Or you don't have the possibility to do it because it's not allowed. Perfect. How many did you get right? Once again, remember, 会 is for learned skills or will, prediction for the future. 能 is for physical ability or possibility. 可以 is for permission or suggestion. That's all for today's video. If you learned something from it, don't forget to like it and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.